All right, movie buffs, if you're searching for your next binge-worthy flick, I've got you covered. Today I'm counting down the top 10 must-watch movies of the year. Trust me, you won't want to miss these. Kicking off the list is Elvis. This biographical drama takes you on a roller coaster ride through the life of the king of rock and roll. Austin Butler delivers a jaw-dropping performance that'll leave you all shook up. Next up we have After Yang. This sci-fi gem dives deep into the complexities of human connections through the lens of a malfunctioning android. It's thought-provoking and visually stunning. Craving some action, the Woman King is here to deliver. Viola Davis leads a fierce female army in this epic historical drama. Get ready for adrenaline-pumping battle scenes and powerful performances. And speaking of action, Top Gun Maverick is a thrill ride from start to finish. Tom Cruise returns as the iconic pilot, delivering high-flying stunts and nostalgic vibes. It's a must-watch for action lovers. On a lighter note, Turning Red is an animated delight from Pixar. Follow the coming-of-age story of a teenage girl who transforms into a giant red panda. It's heartwarming and hilarious, perfect for a family movie night. Now let's talk superheroes. Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness takes the Marvel Cinematic Universe to new heights. With mind-bending visuals and a gripping storyline, it's a wild ride through alternate realities. For those who love a good mystery, Death on the Nile is a thrilling whodunit. Join Detective Hercule Poirot as he unravels a web of deceit and murder aboard a luxurious river steamer. It's a classic Agatha Christie tale with a modern twist. If you're into horror, Nope by Jordan Peele will keep you on the edge of your seat. This chilling thriller blends sci-fi and horror in a way only Peele can. Be prepared for some serious goosebumps. For a dose of heartfelt drama, The Whale is a must-see. Brendan Fraser makes a triumphant return to the big screen with a performance that's both heartbreaking and inspiring. Rounding out the list is Avatar: The Way of Water. James Cameron's long-awaited sequel brings us back to Pandora with breathtaking visuals and an epic storyline. It's a cinematic experience you won't forget. So there you have it. 10 incredible films to add to your watch list. Grab some popcorn, get comfy, and dive into these cinematic masterpieces. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more movie recommendations. Happy watching!